You got this. Just don't think. Just do it. Just do it.
I don't know.
Fucking kidding.
Parkour.
I follow you.
Oh, there's the golf ball.
Check it out.
Just do it!
Yeah.
Out there.
Spicy.
Thank you.
Whoa!
辛いね。
This is like Malaysian spicy, dude.
ああ、マジで辛っ。
It's like Malaysian spicy.
いやいや、Malaysian spicy. We know
Yeah, the
Malaysian
food in the food in Malaysia is like can be very hot. Holy shiza. Dude, that's awesome. They also came out with spicy nuggets at McDonald's. I saw on the television. They were advertising them. They're like, "We promise this will kick your ass." That's what their slogan is. So I want to try it. They got me sold on their marketing. I think I like the Quay ones better.
Yeah, more cheesy.
They're rich in taste and flavor.
Cold taste.
Thank you for stopping there. I was really hungry. The first set of chicken nuggets I got weren't fulfilling for me. I needed 3 more.
I got swear.
You're not good with spicy food either?
What?
You're not good with spicy food either?
You're not good.
Yeah, sorry. You're not good
Good.
with handling spicy food?
I thought I'm good for spicy food, but last time, at Chelsea, Celeste and Bill and me was trying super spicy spaghetti.
Yeah. How did you?
I just tried some, then Bjorn eats ate almost, then Celeste ate like 30-40%. Maybe I just ate 10% of it. Then, she was throwing up them.
Oh, dude. Yeah, she told me about that.
So I've tried super spicy meals sometimes. Then I decided to not try it again because
But there's
not worth to do it.
Okay, so like we talked about, we've had Malaysian food before, like food in Malaysia.
Yeah.
It depends. Tokidoki, it's like spicy, right?
Yeah.
Depending on what you get.
And also, you can take them out, right? In Malaysia, usually, like green chilies.
Yeah, I guess so. It's like the chili peppers, like you just throw them to the side when that. But the thing is, like Malaysia spicy is not that bad. But if you had Indonesian spicy food, that's on a whole different level. That's
spicy.
Even more intense, man.
Really?
Like my wife couldn't even handle it. Yeah, she likes to eat food from Indonesia, but she can't eat the spicy stuff.
Yeah.
Even though she loves spicy food in Malaysia.
Yeah. Malaysia spicy food, やばい. That kills your stomach.
You use chili in some dishes?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Do you have chili? What do you put chili in? Like noodles or ramen?
Noodles, like
ramen.
For example, soba.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, soba. We do like chili with sesame with like some Chinese seeds, like spicy things.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. That spice is called Shichi-mi, means like 7 tastes, 7 spices. Mixes 7 spices.
1 spice is not good enough. You have to have 7.
I don't know why.
Oh my gosh.
But there is ichimi too. Ichimi means like 1 spice. 1 spice.
Yeah.
So that's just chili.